Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Trust you all are doing well. I just want to show you something here. This is in wash scented booster crystals. It's a long lasting scent used for your laundry. And in wash here booster crystals, so the direction here says here, fill the lid approximately halfway to measure and pour the crystals directly into the washing machine before adding the laundry. Put it directly inside the washing machine. It's not the one you put from, from where we normally put our detergent or washing up liquid, or every form of your washing liquid. So this one you have to put it inside the washing machine. 1984 grams. In wash scented booster crystals is a long lasting scent for your laundry. It leaves your clothes smelling beautifully. Fill the lid approximately halfway, to measure, and pour the crystals directly into the washing machine before adding the laundry. So this is it. It's a lovely smelling crystals you put in your laundry, in your washing machine, and it gives your clothes a very lovely smell. So this is good guys, highly recommended. Thank you guys. Cheers.